how to buy Chain Talk daily token. So this token came under the symbol of CTD. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 7 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. This token trended number 1 in the BNB Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address, open your Bitget wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network. Click on this plus icon as you can see and paste the token address in the search bar. Now as you can see, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet as you can see here. Keep searching until you find your token called CDT that you just added. So after you find it, click on it, click on swap, switch from here. From the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. But before that, make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet after or before going to buy this token. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive next to that token. As you can see, now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy CTG token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.